Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got a box to unbox for you and I'm so excited. It is the All About Sundays self-care and wellness box. I've just took off the packaging because I didn't want to show my address. It's just a compostable wrap thing, which I love, but it's all still sealed. I'm yet to unveil and have a look. This has been sent to me in PR. I've never had this box before. Whenever I work with a brand, I always ask them if there is any specific information about the box and the subscription in general that they would like me to pass on to you guys. And I've got a few little bits just to let you know, and I've got a discount code as well, which is amazing. The content of the box, I always like to wing it. I know some people like to unbox and then put it all back in and then film again after they've already seen what's inside it, but I like to do it on the fly. I just like to see what comes out of my mouth as much as you lot do, because you never know. Sometimes I end up talking about opening a meth lab whilst looking at beauty boxes. It just, things happen, and I like just to be honest with you guys. So the contents is all me. However, All About Sunday box have asked me to let you guys know that the concept of the box is self-care and wellness. And it focuses on a different element of self-care each month. My mother-in-law is downstairs looking after my children because it's not even fucking half term. Good Lord, it's the summer fucking holidays here, 6 weeks off, and I'm only a week in and I already can't talk. She's downstairs looking after them. If you hear screeches, they're all doing crafts, so make of that what you will, but they're supervised. Before any of the Karens are like, you've left your children to film a box. They're downstairs with the nurse. They're fucking fine. Anyway, so yeah, it covers a different element of self-care every month. Quality, wellness, skincare, positivity, products from British brands in each box. They give you a minimum of at least 4 wellness experience products a month. First box is £34 and free delivery, and you use the code LOOSE34. I'll put that here and I'll link it down below. Yeah, it's £34 plus free delivery for your first subscription, or £36 of free delivery for your one-off box using that code. Normal pricing is monthly or bi-monthly, £35 plus £2.95 postage, or one-off £37 and £2.95 postage. All the boxes are worth far more than the cost of the box. They don't include RRPs. They want it to be more about the experience of the box, which I totally get. Lots of beauty boxes now don't include the RRPs. If you want to know them, you can easily Google them. This box is worth over £90. All the products are full size. If there is any samples, it is just as a little freebie. Most of the wellness products are reusable and they help establish healthy habits. We make sure our skincare products can be used with previous or future boxes, so they typically provide over 4 applications. We also don't use 2 of the same products, e.g. you won't get 2 facial oils 2 months in a row. A couple of other beauty boxes could definitely do with doing that, couldn't they? Yeah. Anyway, let's jump in because I'm very excited. Let me just have a sip of tea because my mouth has gone all dry from all the verbal diarrhea that just came out. There's one of my children shouting. You're welcome. Let's have a look. So I have nothing up here that I can rip this with, I don't think, have I? Got any scissors? Oh, I do. I have a pair of children's scissors here. I'm unsure how sharp they'll be. But are you sharp enough to get? No. We'll just try and hack at it. Good Lord. How's everyone else coping with the summer holidays? How are we all doing? Mums need to unite and support each other during, or single dads, or anybody really, anybody looking after children needs some help during this time. All About Sundays self-care and wellness box. So let's have a little look. It's the hemp and CBD edit. All About Sundays box aims to focus on different self-care theme that allows you to enjoy a minimum of 4 wellness experience days each month whilst instilling new healthier habits. It wouldn't be a wellness box if we didn't touch on CBD. So this month we want to introduce you to the botanical power of hemp. I'm opening up the doors to the world of CBD oil, hemp bran, CBD skincare. I will put the full name for CBD oil or CBD here because I can't pronounce it. Unlike its well-known cannabis relative, that contains high levels of THC, which gets you high. Hemp is a specific type of cannabis plant that contains high levels of CBD and non-psychoactive that leaves you feeling calm, not stoned. Minuscule levels of THC. Used in many cultures for centuries, both in medicines, healing and clothing, even in building materials, hemp has wonderful properties. In recent years, it has started to become more and more popular across the globe with the advancement of its oil extraction. So why is it becoming popular? This is due to its many health potential benefits, with a handful including helping relieve stress and anxiety. I use CBD oil for anxiety and I can 100% say that it definitely helps. Reduce mood swings and brings out a sense of calm. If used topically in skincare, it's said to counteract damage from free radicals, reduce inflammation, help with muscle aches, arthritis, deeply hydrate, soothe skin, and help with skin conditions such as eczema and psoriasis. If you're pregnant or on any form of medication, we do ask you to consult your doctor before applying to the skin. And then it tells me what's in the box. So I'm just going to have a little look. Let's have a look. Look like this. Oh, okay. So, first thing I've got is some Epsom salt bath bombs. And these are marigold, CBD, orange, lavender and clary sage bath bombs here. Clary sage, you can't use that when you're pregnant, so just be aware of that. That is not allowed if you're up the fluff. Let's have a little read about these. The Float Spa mini CBD bath bomb bundle, full size. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in there. Delicately fragranced with orange, lavender and clary sage, topped with dried marigold. Each bomb contains CBD and a high amount of natural Epsom salt, which will deliver a wealth of health benefiting CBD and magnesium. No bath, we've got you covered. We included these because they can also be used as a wonderful CBD foot soak. Put one in water and soak your feet for 20 minutes. Oh, that sounds amazing. I want to have a smell. I want to have a smell. Have a smell. I want to smell it. Oh, oh my god, they smell amazing. Oh, they smell so good. Oh, I literally want it. That's made my mouth water. It's literally just made my whole mouth fill with saliva because that smells so fucking good. Wow. Oh, I'm having a bath tonight. They smell incredibles. Okay, next I've got Poco Soothing Serum Revive. I apply to cleanse skin after toning. I think this is a facial doodad. There is a little thing here for Poco. A little card saying, hey there, we just want to say thank you for trying out Poco. We take pride in our being vegan skincare that utilises natural ingredients that are not only kind to your skin but kind to animals and the environment too. Clean beauty is important, so thank you for choosing us. We love that. Yes. Using skin loving CBD and all their ingredient skincare and formulas, Poco Soothing Serum has been formulated to help nourish, calm and balance your skin. Oh, I've got a hiccup from that tea. Not only does their formula deeply nourish and soothe, it has also been created to help combat excess oil production on the skin, making it an essential CBD beauty product for those of you with oily and combination skin. Well, let's have a look. Cute packaging. I love it. Cruelty-free, vegan, all the good things that we like to hear. Got a little pump. Oh, that smells really good. Oh my goodness, what is that smell? That smells so nice. What do you smell of? Aloe vera, sea buckthorn, might be like a lemon oil or something, and tea tree, definitely tea tree. That's lovely. Oh, I really like that. I'm excited to try that tonight. I'm gonna use it after my bath. I don't know why I'm singing everything today. Kids are just driving me insane with all their songs and crap that they make me have on. And now I'm just singing my entire life. This is Friendly Soap, lemongrass and hemp. Cruelty free. Oh, it's free from sulfates, preservatives, palm oil, plastic and cruelty free. That's lovely. Cardboard packaging as well, which we love. Friendly Soap, lemongrass and hemp. Not our usual form of positivity, but then again, we aren't your usual subscription box. This month we wanted to treat you to something a little different. Not only is our wellness item giving you the double dose of positivity, but we thought we would treat you to the wonderful benefits of mood boosting lemongrass. Enjoy the sweet mood boosting scent while gently allowing the natural hemp to deliver a full body exfoliation. Oh, it smells amazing. It's got little tiny bits in it. Oh, that smells so lovely. Again, I just want to eat it. I need to have some lunch probably. That's probably telling me that I need to eat. And then next I've got Our Remedy Pretty Peaceful 500 milligrams of 5% CBD oil. This is full size. We want you to relax, or they're all full size. We want you to relax this month and enjoy the calming benefits of CBD. If you suffer from anxiety, sleep disruption, stress, hormonal imbalance, mood swings and skin inflammation, then you will love giving this a try. Get out of the box. Unlike many unpleasant tasting CBD oils on the market, this 100% natural organic CBD oil has been blended with delicious taste of orange, lavender and geranium. Drop a few drops in a hot chocolate and enjoy like the taste of cherries, chocolate, orange. You can also put it under your tongue. What does it say on here? Each full pipette is 1 ml and 50 milligrams of CBD, and we suggest half to a full pipette twice a day. Place under the tongue and let it sit and then swallow. Let's have a little taste of it. Some of them I've had are absolutely fucking disgusting. It's just kind of lavendery. Did it say lavender? It's lavender and geranium. Oh, and the aftertaste is orange. The aftertaste is orange. Nice, I like that. Yeah, you let it sit under your tongue. As I said, you can put it in a drink. I use my CBD in a vape. I have a nicotine-free vape, and then I have CBD oil as well, and that's how I use my CBD normally. And then the last item in here, ooh, is Wild Rising Super Seed Organic Hemp Seed Oil. Such a pretty colour, it looks like olive oil. If you're looking for deeply nourished skin without using a heavy facial oil, look no further. The lightweight skin-loving multi-purpose oil can be applied to your face and neck and body. For those who haven't used hemp oil before, it's fast-absorbing, anti-inflammatory, rich in skin antioxidants and fatty acids, and nourishes dry skin. Let's get a bit on my arm. Oh, that has gone in quick. That has literally just, that's gone. Oh my goodness. I'm so bad for moisturising my body. Like face skincare, I'll do every single step I need to, even if I'm drunk. But moisturising my body, I absolutely hate it when you moisturise and then you just have to sit there like this and you can't get dressed. And you don't want to lie on your bed because you don't want to make it gross. And I just don't do it. But I will 100% use that because that has just gone in so fast. Feels so nice. I love it. Such a good box. Absolutely love it. I think my favourite thing, definitely going to use this. I'm very excited to have a bath with that. It's all lovely. I love CBD anyway, so I'm going to be a sucker for this box anyway. What do you guys think? This is the August box, so I will leave all the links down below for you guys. Thank you so much to the All About Sunday box for sending me this. It's so lovely of you. I can't wait to use everything. Yeah, I'll leave all the links down below. I do have my 10,000 subscriber giveaway going at the moment as well. I'll leave a link for that somewhere too. But yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.